Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to HubSpot at 2026. So actually guys, at first you all need to know that the Canva does not allow live editing directly in HubSpot, but you can integrate them to streamline workflow. So you will need at first to go with the canva.com and log into your account, and then just open your design in Canva or create a new one. So for example, I will go with an existing design, just set an example with, and then just go and click on the share button that's located on the top right corner. And after that, you will need to go ahead with the last option on that pop-up menu. It's the all or three dots. Click it just like so, and then you will need to type HubSpot. Okay, so that's the app or the site. So just click it and then click on open, and there you go. So here you will need to sign into your HubSpot account and authorize Canva and choose where to send your design: marketing emails, landing pages, social media posts, etc. And then just click add to HubSpot. And after doing that, actually your Canva design now in HubSpot ready for use. Okay, so that's it. It's so simple as you can see. So all you need to do is open a design from here, click on share, go with seal, type right here HubSpot, click it and connect your accounts and authorize Canva. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.